Hi everyone. So let's talk about token-based authentication, and for that we will set up a Nestjs project. So I have these three projects. One is a session-based, one is a cookies-based, and then the third project I have is token-based authentication. So I will just explain like the basic steps, how to bootstrap the Nestjs. I mean, we have done already two times. This is the third time we are doing. So Nest create a new app, and then install all the required dependencies. Dependencies means Nestjs GWT, Nestjs Passport, Nestjs Passport GWT, and bcrypt. The important modules are Nestjs GWT and Nestjs Passport, because earlier in the Express we used to include lots of library passport, JWT and all, but now Nestjs provides their own version of these libraries. Then we will create a user service, user module, user controller, auth service, auth module, auth controller. So this is simple register, which is creating user service dot create, that will just populate the user in the database with the email, and the password is the bcrypt version of it. When you do the login, first we are validating the email by comparing the password using bcrypt compare, and then we are returning the token. So how we are creating token? Using JWT service. And how are we getting JWT service from? We are getting JWT service from JWT module. This is taking care of providing us JWT service, because we are registering a module and we are passing a secret, because without that you cannot create a token, you cannot verify the token, right? And we need to create an auth guard and a strategy. This is the auth guard, which you will add at the controller for the private routes. And this is the strategy for that guard. Here we are getting this from bearer token. So once you log in, you get authorization, you get an access token. You will send the access token in the authorization header as a bearer space token. And this is JWT secret, same secret using which you have created the token. Same secret, JWT secret, and here JWT secret. And once you validate the payload, you will get the user in the request object. I mean, these are just different building blocks of a different component. Here we are creating these routes: auth register to create a user, auth login to create login a user. You will receive a JWT token in the JSON response. Then you will send you access the auth profile by passing the bearer token. Okay, so we already have some setup ready, right, with the cookie based authentication. We'll try to understand it, and we will try to change the implementation for token based authentication.